Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'd like to talk about the Redmi Note 10s device. Is it worth of buying for this 15,000 rupees or not? So right now friends, a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question, should they buy or not, and what are the other options they are having. So I'll try to discuss all these details about this phone in this entire video, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the details. So first let's begin with the price. The price right now it's available about 15,000, and if you have the SBI card you can get the 1500 discount as well, so which makes the final price close to 13,500. So for 13,500, so is it worth of investing on this phone or not? That is what the question is. So a lot of reviewers and a lot of people that did says that the phone is not worth for this kind of price. That is what a lot of reviewers said about this phone, but let's see what are the things why they pointed out mainly. So first let's focus on the things which are common. So regarding the processor, so in terms of the processor friends, the phone has got the Helio G95 processor. So this is the same kind of processor which is used for the 1 year ago as well in terms of the other phones. So Helio G95 which is present in the Realme Narzo 20 Pro and other smartphones. So definitely friends, in terms of the processor wise, there is nothing much improved, I can say definitely. So even after still this we are still using the 1 year old processor which is a Helio G95, and which is kind of same kind of processor which is also present in the Realme 8 device as well. If you notice, as you can see friends, Helio G95 processor. So overall for this kind of price range, I think 13,500, you are getting the Helio G95. The processor is kind of okay, I would say, but definitely this is another thing to notice. There's multiple options which are available right now, so with this kind of competition with this Redmi Note 10s device. So in terms of the performance wise, it should be kind of okay, I would say, definitely no issues. Antutu benchmark scores will be close to 3 lakhs in the Antutu benchmark test results as well in the performance wise. So in the performance wise, I would say okay. Next, in terms of the display, friends, the phone has got the Super AMOLED display, as you can see here, Super AMOLED with a small punch hole display, and whereas other phones they are offering the 90 Hz IPS LCD panel. So it all depends upon type of users as well. So 90 Hz with the IPS LCD panel, not the AMOLED panel. But definitely if you ask me which panel I would prefer the Super AMOLED panel only, because of having the really good colors. So that is another main thing about this phone. So for 13,500 rupees you are getting the powerful processor Helio G95 and the Super AMOLED display as well. That is another thing to consider. So next, in terms of the weight, so in terms of the weight, as you can see friends, 178 grams. So that's a really so less weight when you compare it with other smartphones. So with a screen size of 6.4 inches, it's not too big as well. For this kind of small screen size, the weight is really good, 178 grams, so which keeps the below 180 grams. That is another thing. So in terms of the design, it looks kind of similar to the another Redmi Note 10 models as well. And in terms of the battery backup, 5000 mAh of battery, as you can see friends, and 33 watt fast charging. So same kind of fast charging. There's nothing improvement in the battery wise. I did expect maybe 6000 would be really great, so maybe in the next version they might be upgrading. So 5033 watt fast charging, same thing. And the phone comes with a MIUI 12.5, that is the main highlight. So out of everything, all the specifications, the main highlight of this phone is the MIUI 12.5. So this is the first one which will be launching right now in India with a MIUI 12.5 update. That's another thing to notice. And dual SIM press, normal dedicated slots, that is a quite common. And next, another things is regarding the camera. So in terms of the camera, the phone comes with a 64 megapixel quad camera lens. So that is another really good thing. So for 13,500 you're getting the quad camera with ultra wide, macro and a depth lens as well. That's another thing to notice. And really good haptic feedbacks with a dual stereo speaker setup. So dual speakers with the haptic feedbacks, and you're getting the 64 megapixel camera and Helio G95 processor, Super AMOLED display. I think this phone is kind of worth to buy. But if you ask me, am I going to buy? I'm not sure friends. I'm just thinking. So I did not, till now I did not get any kind of request to buy this phone from any of my subscribers, so I won't be able to buy this phone at the moment. But in case if you are looking to buy, and make sure to comment below, definitely I can buy and I can test the smartphone, so how the phone will be working. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.